everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we're having a look at arithmetic series again, but this time we are calculating the sums. So in the previous video, we derived the formula for an arithmetic series, and the formula is Sn is equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. This formula is usually given on a formula sheet, so you don't have to remember it, but it is helpful to know how do we get the formula. So we're going to apply to these three questions. So let us get started. Please pause the video and attempt it yourself before trying it together. So the first one is 3, 10, and 17. So for us to use the formula, we're going to have to fill in what is the n, what is the a, and what is the d. Okay, so here it says for 20 terms, so we want to calculate S20. So our n is 20. So everywhere that I see 20, where I see n, I'm putting 20. A is our first term, so our A is 3, so it's 2 times 3. And then finally, our D is our common difference. And our common difference, we say 10 minus 3 is 7, or 17 minus 10 is 7. So our common difference is 7. So we put that in the place of D. And then we just simplify. This is 10 times 6 plus 19 times 7. And then you could just use your calculator for this if you would like. There's no need to simplify it more than that. So the sum of the first 20 in this case is 1,390. And that is it. Let us go through the next one. So the next one we have 10, 8, 6 for 15 terms. So our formula, because it's arithmetic, will be Sn is equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So again, what are the number of terms? We are getting 15 terms. So that will be our n, so 15. So our n is 15, we're finding S15, and everywhere we find n, we're putting in 15. A is our first term is 10. And finally, D is our common difference. So 8 minus 10, which is negative 2, or 6 minus 8, which is negative 2. Please be careful for the decreasing ones because people often forget to put the negative. Okay, so then let's calculate. S15 is 15 over 2 times 20 plus 14 times negative 2. Again, you can then just use your calculator at this stage. So then if you have 15 over 2 times 20 plus 14 times, and be careful, negative 2, then our sum of the first 15 terms will be 60. Okay, let us do the third one. So we have, again, our pattern is 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, and so on for 30 terms. Okay, so let us go ahead and calculate Sn. Because it's geometric, we use arithmetic, we use the arithmetic formula. So again, we want to fill in what's n, a, and d. Okay, so n is our number of terms. So here it says 30 terms. Our n is 30. Oh, sorry, 30. 30, 30, 30. A is our first term. Our first term is 0.5. And finally, D is our common difference. So 1.5 minus 0.5 is 1, or 2.5 minus 1.5 is 1. So our common difference is 1. Then what we can do is simplify. So S30 is equal to 15 times 1 plus 29 And then finally, you can calculate this on your calculator. The answer is 450. Okay, I hope that you've understood this example. Please watch our other videos on more information on how to tackle arithmetic series. Thank you for watching. Bye.